Hi everyone, on this week's episode I'll be casting a bag of air to see if we can create fractures. So the first time we ever saw a fracture was when I made my first ship in a bottle, and you can see here that there's a massive fracture that runs right around the Enterprise. Now at first we didn't know what caused it, but then we started assuming that maybe it was air trapped inside the model that was released during the curing process. And on the chocolate episode, we managed to capture a fracture on PotCam. Now it's definitely plausible that both these fractures were caused by trapped air, but I want to know for sure. And the only way to do that is to cast myself a bag of air. Now before I add any air to the bag, I need to pour myself a base layer for it to sit on. Now I'm going to go pop this in the pressure pot to cure. Now that my resin's all cured, I can add some air into my bag, then I can glue that bag down with some UV resin. So you'll notice that I glued the bag down with the ziplock facing the side. I'm kind of hoping that that's going to be the failure point where all the air rushes out. Now if it happens to fail along one of these other seams, that'll be fine because it'll look just as good. It's now time to put this in the pressure pot to cure. Let's just hope we get an explosive pot cam. Well, I don't think that could have gone any better. I haven't checked pot cam yet, but I'm assuming that you guys just saw a really cool explosion. Now while this was in the pot curing, I was thinking to myself, if this actually works, what else could I use it for? So then I started thinking I could take my bag and fill it with glitter. And then we might be able to see a glitter explosion. So I just went and watched pot cam, and it looks like our bag melted, which released the air. Now you'll notice that the fracture didn't happen until I released the pressure out of the pot. Now unfortunately we got no audio of that, since it looks like I've broken another pot cam. Now I did have a feeling that the fracture might happen when I released the pressure. That's why I released it at 40 minutes instead of letting the resin fully cure. Because that's the same thing that happened when I released the chocolate blank at 40 minutes. Now even though we know that, I'm still going to make another one and add the glitter just to see what happens. So it's now been around 40 minutes. Let's release the pressure and see if we can cause a fracture. So it's now been around 40 minutes. Let's release the pressure and see if we can cause a fracture. I hope that worked. Well, we got our fracture. So that's a little unfortunate. We didn't get our glitter explosion like we were hoping for. It's a nice little pillow of glitter. Now I'm going to have to go back and watch PotCam to see what happened. Well, the good news is we had audio on that one, although I have blown my camera budget for the year. Now the bad news is I have no idea what happened. You could see the bag shrink, but I couldn't see any air escape. But I did notice that the fracture did release some glitter. Well, we might not have got our glitter explosion, but we certainly learned how to create a fracture. Now if you guys know what happened to the air in this one, let me know in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, please consider hitting the like button. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.